Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Lakshman Kumar. Today I'm trying to solve the Leetcode medium problem where we have to find the power of x to the power of n. The problem seems pretty simple, but if we mix the edge cases, then it will be uh, then our solution will not be accepted. So in order to accept our solution, like we just go with the divide and conquer strategy where we try to divide the power value by half uh, and see the problem for half of the problem. Say for example, if we are trying to find the 2 power 5, uh, where x is equal to 2 and n is equal to 5. So first we'll divide this 5 by half, that is 2, and see find the solution for 2 power 2, and we'll continue this process until n is equal to 0. Since we know that n, if anything power 0 is 1. Okay, so let's start coding here. So our base case will be if n is equal to 0, then we will return 1 because anything power 0 is 1. And now, so as I said, now I'll take the double value temp where temp is equal to my power. We'll call this function recursively so that it will be very easy to calculate the temp value. So now we'll come into a situation where n divided by 2 is equal to 0. Say this means n is an even number. Then we'll just return temp into temp because 2 power 2 is equal to can be written as 2 into 2. Otherwise, where n is greater than 0, we'll just return say for example 2 power 5. So we can return this one as 2 power 5 into 2 power 5 into 2 because 2 power 2 into 2 power 2 into 2 because we already calculated n is, if n is equal to 5, we are calculated in 5 by 2 is equal to 2, and again we'll call this function again. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Yeah, okay, okay. Otherwise we'll just return temp into temp divided by x where uh, this means n is negative value. Say n is equal to minus 2. That means like 2 power minus 2 can be written as 1 by 2 power 2, 1 by 2 power 2. Okay, let's run this test case here. Simple test case. See how it goes. Oh, I'm missing if. Sorry. Yeah, always make sure of your code correctly because in interview we will not get any chance to correct our code. Like always practice is on whiteboard or any paper so that we will be familiarized with the coding. So let's submit this code. So yeah, if you look at this discuss tab here, you will find a lot of codes here, but the main idea in this solution is divide and conquer solution. The time limit, the time complexity for this one is will be time complexity will be O of log n. But uh, since we are concentrating only half part of the power at a single given point, and it can be reduced to uh, it can be drawn as a tree structure. So the tree structure would be like this. We are given with n, and now we are tackling n by 2 here. Now we are tackling n by 4. This will goes on until the value n becomes 0, n is equal to 0. So they simply return 1 here, and it will calculate for each and every stack. For this one it returns 1 here, for this one it returns 1 here, returns 1 here. So if you want to calculate n value, say for example, if you want to calculate the power of 5 here, so if it is 5, first we will calculate the 5 here, next we will calculate 2 by 2 is 1 here, and 1 by 2 is equal to again is 0 here. So here we will return 1 here, and again we will return 1 into, so return 1 into result here. Again we will be calculating 1 into result here. So for 5 we are calculating it is in 3 steps, that is log n. Like each time we are dividing it to the half, it comprises to